Okay, we can discuss the OR operator now. The OR operator is used to combine multiple conditions where either one or both conditions need to be true. For example, we have a region column, and from this region column, I want to extract the data where the region is USA or it is Europe. In order to execute this query, I'll write down my statement, select asterisk from table name where region is USA or region is Canada. So once we execute this query, then we will have the data set where the region will contain only two values. Either it will be USA or Canada. So this is how our dataset will look like when we execute our query. Let's understand this with a practical example. Okay, so this time we are going to use the same column, but we have multiple values. So I want to extract the data where the region is USA or Canada. It could be USA, it could be Canada, or both. So I'll write down my statement, select asterisk from table name where region is USA. This is my first condition. Second condition is or region is Canada. So I want to extract the data from this table where either of these conditions is true. Either the region is US or the region is Canada. So once we select this statement and click on the execute button, we can see that we have the data set where we have only two values. The region is USA or region is Canada. So it is giving me the values whether either of the condition is true. So in this kind of situations, we will use the OR clause.